An important thing to check if he breathes before do some help.
Σε εξέλιξη βρίσκεται πρακτική άσκηση παροχής πρώτων βοηθειών εδώ στην πόλη Λβιβ. Οι εκπαιδευόμενοι μαθαίνουν τι πρέπει να κάνουν στην περίπτωση που κάποιος τραυματιστεί από σφαίρες, έχει πέσει στο έδαφος και προσπαθούν να του σταματήσουν την αιμορραγία.
He will try to do it safety for him because everybody shooting and he lying and helping him.
Try to give them some knowledge about how to stop bleeding, how to stop pneumothorax, how to provide the first aid help. A lot of people are interested in that. Not only soldiers, but civilians, women, men. They want to know how they can help for each other, and they want to know how they can be prepared for unexpected situations.
Η Ειρήνη, 19 ετών, βρίσκεται στο κέντρο εκπαίδευσης και παρακολουθεί μαθήματα παροχής πρώτων βοηθειών και ιατρικής φροντίδας. Ήρθε εδώ μαζί με τους φίλους της και τους συναδέρφους της. Όπως μας λένε, είναι πολύ σημαντικό σε αυτή την κρίσιμη περίοδο να γνωρίζουν πώς να προστατεύουν τους εαυτούς τους αλλά και τους υπόλοιπους.
This is my first lesson. We came here with my team from my work.
Is it important for you to know first aid, to know medical care?
Of course, I think it's very important for me, for my colleagues, for my friends, and I think it's important for every Ukrainian now with this situation in Ukraine.
How old are your daughters?
First 7-old to 3-old.
Are you afraid for them? Are you worried?
No, I'm ready to defend my country.
Is it difficult for you to learn all these things?
No, I think if you want, you think that I can do that.
And is it important for you to know medical care?
Yes. Our men in the war and women must help family, help children, and help yourself to live.
The principle of using it. You have the fixer in the back, in the front. Fix.
How many people do you believe that come here to train per day?
Near 100 or 70, 100.
Look for any holes on the back. He uses what he has to stop bleeding